Hey guys, Philly Boy J here, back with another recipe, and I am going to show you guys how to make some amazingly delicious candied sweet potatoes. My. They are amazing. Yes, they are. The ingredients that you're going to need are sweet potatoes. Obviously, that's the main ingredient, so make sure you have sweet potatoes. You're going to need honey, light corn syrup, butter, brown sugar. I'm using light brown sugar. It shouldn't be a problem if you use dark, but I'm using light. You're going to need a few spices and pure vanilla extract. Don't get that generic stuff. Make sure it's the name brand kind. It just makes the candy sweet potatoes come out better. What you're going to do is get a large size pot. You're going to fill it up with cold water. Then you're going to add the sweet potatoes. Make sure the sweet potatoes are fully submerged in the cold water. Now, unlike when I boil other things, I don't preheat the water and wait until it comes to a boil with potatoes, and that's because you want them to cook evenly. My grandmama always told me that, so she would say, baby, when you boil potatoes, just add it to the pot of water. Don't preheat it. Just add it to the pot of cold water. So add your sweet potatoes to the pot of cold water. Like I said, make sure you have enough water to fully cover the sweet potatoes. You're going to place it over high heat, and you're going to remove the sweet potatoes once they are fork tender, like you see there. You don't want to overcook them because you don't want them to be like mashed potatoes, unless you like your candy sweet potatoes like mashed potatoes. But you want them to maintain their figure and shape. You're going to remove the hot water, and you're going to fill the pot with cold water and add the sweet potatoes to the pot of cold water so that they can cool off and chill. You do not want to play with hot sweet potatoes and burn your hands. No, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. But what we're going to do is we're not going to sit here and wait for these bad boys to cool off either. We're going to do what my grandma used to always do, and that's kill two birds with one stone. So get your baking dish, or whatever dish you're going to be baking the candy sweet potatoes in. This is my favorite part, and that's creating the candied sauce. And this is the best candy sauce in the whole wide world. So what you're going to do is you're going to get the light brown sugar. You're going to add the light brown sugar to the baking dish, just like you see me doing there. Then you're going to add the spices. Make sure you spread the brown sugar out, and you're going to add the spices. Now, you may see a few white specks there, and you're probably asking yourself, is that salt? Yes, it is salt. Don't worry, it's not a lot of salt. Some of you amateurs out there may be saying, why is he adding salt to a sweet dish? That's just to enhance the overall flavor and taste of the candied sauce. All right, so give everything a nice stir. Make sure it's all well blended, just like that. Then you're going to add the light corn syrup, not dark, light corn syrup. Look at that there. Just look at that, guys. This candy sauce is going to be so delicious, so delicious. Then you're going to add the honey. So after you add the light corn syrup, add the honey. This candy sauce is going to be nice and sweet. Nice and sweet. After adding the honey, what you're going to do is you're going to add melted butter. I melted my butter off camera. Make sure you melt your butter as well. I placed it in the microwave on high for about 30 seconds. Then you're going to add the vanilla extract. That just gives the candy sauce an amazing flavor, so make sure you use the vanilla. And again, It's important to use name brand vanilla, pure vanilla. Don't use that fake stuff, that fake generic stuff. Give it a nice stir. Get the candy sauce a nice stir. Make sure all the ingredients are well blended. You don't want to leave it looking like that. And look, just look at that candied sauce. Look at it. Look like chocolate. So we're going to move on to the final step. We're going to move the candy sauce aside and focus on the potatoes that are cooled off now. And look at that skin, guys. Just look. All you gotta say now, just look at that skin. Skin just coming off so easily. And that's the reason why I like to boil the potatoes first, because it makes removing the skin just easy as easy can be. What you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You want to make sure that the oven is hot when you add the candied sweet potatoes to it, okay? So preheat your oven to 350 degrees. But look at that. Just look how the skin is just sliding off so easily. It's just gliding off like... You just want, cooking to be easy. You don't want it. It shouldn't have to be difficult, right? Shouldn't have to be difficult. Okay, so after you remove the potato skin, what you're gonna do is slice the sweet potatoes into any size shapes you like. I like to slice mine into medium circular shapes. You can slice yours into any shapes and sizes that you want. Okay? Gonna slice the big ones down the middle in half, just like that there, and I'm all done. My sweet potatoes are sliced and diced. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add the sweet potatoes to the candied sauce. Now the candied sauce may seem a little thick there. It's going to loosen up and then it's going to thicken back up. It's going to loosen up and thin out, and then it's going to kind of thicken up again. All right, and that's from the water and moisture in the sweet potatoes. They're going to thin the candied sauce out a little bit while it's cooking. Okay, so add all of the sweet potatoes to the candied sauce like you see me doing there. And before you add the sweet potatoes and the candy sauce to the oven, what you're going to do is you're going to top it with some additional brown sugar. So top it with the brown sugar. That's about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, by the way. All right, just like that there. And then you're going to add the sweet potatoes to the oven finally, and you're going to let them cook until they are nice and tender. Okay, so after you top it with the brown sugar, go on ahead and add it to the oven. Cook those bad boys. As you can see here, the candy sauce is bubbling. It's thinned out a bit, and what you're going to do is you're going to get that candied sauce and you're going to top the sweet potatoes with the candy sauce. Now, there may be some potatoes that are a little hard in the center, because as much as you want to boil them and get them nice and evenly tender, they rarely ever come out evenly cooked. So there's going to be some that may be a little tough still. You're going to press them below the candy sauce. Make sure they're submerged in the candy sauce, the hard ones that is, and let them continue cooking until they're tender. See how I'm doing there? So continue to coat the sweet potatoes with the candy sauce, and once they're done, they should look like this. Guys, you are going to love this candied sweet potatoes recipe. It is absolutely amazing. People rant and rave all the time about how much they love it. They ask me for the recipe all the time. This is the perfect Thanksgiving side dish. Me and my family used to eat it all year round, but it's perfect for Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoyed. The full recipe can be found on PhillyJCooking.com. There you'll find the detailed instructions, measurements, and everything you need to know regarding this recipe. Make sure you follow me on social media. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy, and later.